I want to tell you about the exact moment I realized I didn't need my job anymore. It wasn't a grand revelation. It wasn't some overnight success story. It was a Tuesday afternoon. I was sitting at my desk doing work I didn't care about for a paycheck that barely covered my bills, and I opened one tool on my laptop that changed everything. That tool was ElevenLabs. Welcome to StackEarnAI, where we show you exactly how real people are using AI to replace their income, escape the 9-to-5, and build something that actually belongs to them. Let's get into it. Here's what most people don't understand about making money with AI. It's not about having the most followers. It's not about being on camera. It's not about being tech savvy or having a degree or knowing how to code. It's about finding one tool, just one, that does something valuable, and then building a system around it. For me, that tool was ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generator. You type text, it speaks it back in a voice so realistic most people cannot tell the difference. And here's why that matters for income. There are thousands of businesses, content creators, podcast producers, YouTubers, and marketers who desperately need professional voiceovers, and they're willing to pay hundreds of dollars for them. Before AI, a professional voiceover artist charged $200 to $500 for a single recording. Now, you can produce that same quality voiceover in under 2 minutes for pennies. That gap between what businesses pay and what it costs you to produce is where the money is. So here's exactly how I turned ElevenLabs into income. Step 1. I went on Fiverr and created a voiceover service. Clean profile, professional description, 3 sample clips generated with ElevenLabs. Total setup time, 45 minutes. Step 2, I priced my packages at $50 for a 60-second voiceover, $150 for up to 5 minutes, and $300 for a full explainer video script with voiceover. These are standard market rates, and every single one of those takes me less than 10 minutes to produce with ElevenLabs. Step 3, I started getting orders. First week, 2 orders, $100. Second week, 5 orders, $450. By the end of month 1, I had made $1,847 from a laptop in my spare time without ever recording my own voice or showing my face. Now here's where it gets interesting. That first month showed me something bigger. If ElevenLabs alone could generate $1,847, what happens when you combine it with InVideo for video production, with ChatGPT for script writing, with OpusClip for short-form content, with Zapier for automation? What happens is you stop selling services one at a time, and you start building systems that generate income around the clock. You stop trading time for money, and you start building something that works while you sleep. That's what StackEarnAI is about. Not just one tool, not just one stream, a complete AI income system that compounds over time. And it all started with ElevenLabs on a Tuesday afternoon. If you want to build the exact same system, the tools, the workflow, the automation, subscribe right now, because that is exactly what we are building on this channel. Every video is another piece of the puzzle. Every tool we cover is one more income stream you can add to your stack. Hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and drop a comment below telling me, what's your current 9-to-5 and how badly do you want out?